Let's install JavaFX 21, just came out. Download. So JavaFX 21 long-term support. Windows versions, I'm going to download 64 bits. You need to download SDK and then JMODs if you want to deploy your JavaFX application. So I will download both. Installation is actually straightforward. We can unzip it. I prefer to keep it in the same place as JDK. So on the program files, Java, I do have a JDK 21. So let me just unzip it. So all JavaFX related files will be extracted to JavaFX SDK 21. You may need to use this library when you develop JavaFX application. Let's look at the second one, JMODs. You may need the JMODs libraries when you deploy JavaFX application. For now, let me just keep it here as well. Thank you.